નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 7th, સબ્જેક્ટ સોશિયલ સાયન્સ, ચેપ્ટર નંબર 3, કોર્સ એન્ડ ધેર ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ.
There is also one story related to Jugnu. Who was Jugnu? Jugnu was one criminal, and it is also story related to Jugnu. There was an abominable means very bad, terrible, and cruel man name was Jugnu. So Jugnu was he is like a criminal. People were afraid of him, and he could rob and kill anybody. So he was very scared to people, and people also afraid of him. And he was always rob. Rob means chori, lootfat, and also kill anybody. One day a social worker, she was a lady, and one social worker was visited village. Since Jugnu's deed were of a criminal offense. Offense means displeasure, and she filed a case against him in the district criminal court. In order to save people from his terror means extreme fear. To save the people from his fear, that lady social worker, she filed a case in the court. But lady lost the case, and no one dared to speak against Jugnu. When she filed the case in the court, so in the court we have to give proof, but there was no one of the village people came to speak against Jugnu because they were very scared. And what happened? The lady lost the case. No one dared to speak against Jugnu. However, if people had stood witness against Jugnu without fear, that verdict would have been passed. Now what will happen? Because was that in the village nobody was ready to speak against Jugnu. If Jugnu was well-known criminal, and if people would have supported that lady, social worker, in the court and speak against Jugnu, so what will happen? Jugnu would have lost the case. Maybe he was not winning the case. He will lose the case. The judge would then punish Jugnu and send him to the jail. When he lost the case, so judge will give him punishment and he will lose the case. This way, Jugnu's terror would have been ended and people could live peacefully. So this can be happen if people of that village speak against Jugnu, and so they can get justified. If nobody is ready to speak against Jugnu, so they will not get the justified. They will lose the case, and same thing they have to, same fear, same life will be going on. So this way Jugnu's terror would have been ended and people could live peacefully if they speak against Jugnu. Some new words are given in the book, so let's understand what is the meaning of this words. First one is, that one is known as the petitioner. That one is, its meaning written request made to an official person. That one is known as the petitioner. So a person who appeals in the court for justice is called as a petitioner. Second one is judge. Judge is a public official who listens to the cases brought to him and hold the authority to give decision. Third one is lawyer. So what is lawyer? the law and it depends the case in the court. Defense means to present the case in the court. Now next one is fourth one, civil case. Civil case related to house, land or property are called as civil cases. So in the civil cases, it is included to house, land and property. That one case is known as the civil cases. Fifth one is criminal cases. So what is criminal? We knew this word criminal. So cases related to theft. Theft means chori, robbery, murder, physical harm or any fight are called criminal cases. Which are known as the criminal cases? That one is related to theft, robbery, to murder. Third one is physical harmful. So or any fight are related to criminal cases. Sixth one is arrest. To arrest someone. We heard this word. This police came and arrest this person. So what is arrest? Arrest means taking someone in police custody is called arrest. To take someone in a police custody, that one is known as the arrest. To arrest someone. Most of the police arrest thief. Seventh one is warrant. What is warrant? A warrant is a document released by the court. Who decides the warrant? Only court. Court can be released the warrant which allows the police to perform specific act, and this act include arresting a person, searching his house or office, etc. So in the arrest warrant, arrest is to take the at the police station, and warrant is specially court will decide, and that one is a document released from the court and which allows the police, only for police, to perform specific act, and the act is include arresting a person, their searching and his houses or office. Where the person is hidden, they can search, and there is a authority. It is in police hand. So that one we learn about warrant. Now next one is 8. Appeal. So what is appeal? An appeal is a legal proceeding in which a person appeals the court to seek justice. If a person want to do they want some justice. So first they have to do appeal to get justice. So first, an appeal is a legal proceeding in which a person appeals the court to seek for justice. Then the process will be continued. Ninth one is FIR. We heard this word FIR in the police station. We have to do FIR. So full form of FIR is First Information Report. So meaning of the FIR is First Information Report, and police records the crime scene in their book of record, and these recording are called FIR. Next, 10th one is client. What is client? A person who seeks the advice of a lawyer is called a client of the lawyer. A person who is taking the advice to get justice. To get justice, first they have to appeal, and they have to also hire a lawyer. So they have to explain what happened with him or her. So that one, a person who seeks the advice to take the advice of a lawyer is called a client of that lawyer. 11th is witness. So witness. Many times heard this word, eyewitness. So what is witness? A witness is a person who has seen an event and reports what happened. If we see any person that who is killed or given some poison or something bad things to other, so we are the witness person. And this word to word, what we see with our eyes, we can say in the court. So we are the eyewitness. So witness is a person who has seen an event or what happened. That one is reports quote what happened. So that one is known as the witness. Last one is custody. Custody is a state of being detained or held under guard, especially by the police. So what is custody? Custody means a person. Custody is the state of being detained or held under guard, especially by the police. That one is also known as the custody.
Thank you for joining us.